Hey everyone, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to schedule videos in YouTube Studio in 2026. So if you want your videos to publish automatically at a specific time, this feature makes managing your uploads way easier. First, open YouTube in your browser and sign in to your account. Then click your profile picture and select YouTube Studio. Once inside the dashboard, click the Create button in the top right corner and select Upload Videos. Now choose the video you want to upload from your computer and wait for the upload process to begin. Next, enter your title, description, thumbnail, and audience settings. Make sure everything is ready before scheduling. When you reach the visibility section, select Schedule instead of Public or Private. Now pick the exact date and time you want the video to go live. This is really useful if your audience watches at specific hours. You can also enable a premiere if you want viewers to watch the video together when it goes live. Once everything looks good, click Schedule to confirm the upload timing. Now go back to the Content tab, and you'll see your video marked as scheduled with the selected publish time. So that's how to schedule videos in YouTube Studio in 2026. It's one of the easiest ways to stay consistent with uploads and manage your channel better. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next guide.